What are some examples of alternatives to distilled water that can be used in various applications?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring an interesting topic: the alternatives to distilled water that can be used in various applications. Distilled water, which is water that has had many of its impurities removed through distillation, is often used in laboratories, automobile cooling systems, and even household appliances. But what if you don't have access to distilled water? Let's find out some great alternatives.
What can be used instead of distilled water in laboratories?
Deionized water, D-water, is a high-quality alternative to distilled water in laboratories. It's water that has had all of its ions removed, including salts and minerals. While it may not be suitable for consumption due to its lack of necessary minerals, it's perfect for scientific experiments as it won't influence the results with foreign substances.
What can we use instead of distilled water for automobile cooling systems?
The cooling systems in automobiles are another place where distilled water is frequently used. However, a good alternative here can be premixed coolant, which is a blend of antifreeze and water. This type of coolant already has the appropriate ratio of water to antifreeze, and it's formulated to prevent corrosion within the cooling system. Always check your vehicle's manual to ensure compatibility.
What are alternatives to distilled water for household appliances?
Some household appliances, such as irons or humidifiers, often recommend using distilled water to avoid mineral buildup. If you're unable to use distilled water, consider filtered water. Many home water filtration systems can remove the majority of minerals and impurities in the water that would otherwise cause scale and buildup. However, filtered water may still contain some minerals, so it may not be as effective as distilled water in preventing mineral deposits. In conclusion, while distilled water is a versatile and commonly used fluid, there are alternatives for various applications. From deionized water in laboratories, premixed coolant for automobile cooling systems, to filtered water in household appliances, these alternatives can come in handy when distilled water is not available. Remember, it's always important to double-check the requirements of your specific application before deciding to use an alternative to distilled water. Hope this video has been informative and helpful. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.